AI-generated content is everywhere now. If you use Pinterest for your small business, you'll want to know how to turn off or at least significantly reduce how much AI-generated content shows up in your feed and how to stop Pinterest from using your pins to train their generative AI model. Hi, I'm Marta, creator of the Social School and digital marketing consultant, where I help small businesses optimize their digital presence. Before diving into the how, let's quickly cover the why. Pinterest has introduced features where your saved or uploaded content can be used to train their generative AI model, which is called Pinterest Canvas. More AI means less authenticity, which for a brand can feel off. You want your audience to be seeing your genuine content, not diluted with perfect but artificial imagery that might not align with your brand. So first, let's cover how to reduce how much AI-generated content shows up in your feed. First, log into your Pinterest account. Click on Edit Profile. Under Settings, choose Refine Your Recommendations. Click Gen AI Interests and toggle off anything you are interested in seeing. Now here's how to stop Pinterest from using your pins to train their generative AI model. Lower down on that same menu, you'll see scroll down to the Gen AI section and uncheck the box that says Use your data to train Pinterest Canvas. Click Save and you're done. This means you're opting out of having your uploaded and saved content used to train Pinterest's generative AI model. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe and sign up for our newsletter. And if you're a small business owner and need help optimizing your social media platforms, be sure to schedule a free discovery call below to see how we can help you.